What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a little project slash review slash install of another eBay product right there. This new style dual color 29-inch LED bar. We're going to be going on vacation and I will be driving pretty much all night, and I figured what better time to increase the light output than when you're going on vacation and you're going to be doing a lot of driving. So I'm going to give it a shot, see how well it performs, see how long it lasts, see if it's worth the money. The kit I got, it came with a wireless wiring kit, so I don't have to wire into the truck. So it just has this remote here, and then this is all tucked away nice and neat, so we'll get to see how all that comes out. But let's go ahead and get this started. Pretty much everything laid out that I'll be installing slash using. Alright, I don't know if you can see me very well, but got it all wired in, hooked up, got a remote. Let's see if it works. We got light. So we got spot, flood, and amber. That is bright. I clamped it down with exhaust clamps for now because I didn't want to do anything too permanent until I found out if it was going to be worth it. And if it does work out, I will permanently mount it, but I don't want to put unnecessary holes in the cattle guard if I don't have to. So I'll give an update of how well it does and how well it is doing, and if I feel like it's worth money. I paid $69, right at 70 bucks for the whole kit with the wiring, the wireless wiring harness and everything. It came with free shipping, so we can test and see how far the remote will work. I'm all the way across the garage. It works, so should have no problem working inside the truck. So that's it for today, and I will definitely give my input on this in a few weeks.